Hello and welcome back. If you're learning cloud computing, you must know the key differences between infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In this video, we'll dive into these three operating models. Infrastructure as a service, which is known as IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. It gives you access to basic infrastructure elements like virtual machines, networking, storage, and other fundamental computing resources. Here, users have the most control over the resources. They can configure the servers, storage, and networking as per their needs. For example, Amazon's Elastic Compute Cloud, Google Compute Engine, Microsoft Azure instances. This operating model is ideal for users who want to create custom applications and manage all aspects of their IT infrastructure. On the other hand, Platform as a Service provides a platform allowing developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without having to deal with the underlying infrastructure like servers or storage. Here, users have less control compared to infrastructure as a service. Developers can focus on development and deployment, while the platform provider handles the underlying infrastructure. For example, Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure App Services, Heroku. This operating model is best for developers who want to focus on coding and application logic without worrying about the managing hardware or software platforms. Here comes software as a service. SaaS delivers fully functional software applications via the internet. The software is hosted and managed by the provider, and users simply access it via a web browser. Here, users have no control over the underlying infrastructure or platform. They are just using the software as a service. For example, Gmail, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, Dropbox, etc. This operating model is ideal for the end users who need ready-to-use applications without worrying about the maintenance or setup. Do like and subscribe for more such videos.